Welcome back, IP3. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today, we continue talking about the publisher software, and this is our lesson number 15. So, some things that you need to learn and you need to know is that you can go to the page tab here and click insert and select how many pages you want. So imagine you don't want to do only one page, but you want to do many pages. So you can use this to insert more pages, not just one. So you can insert 10 pages, 100 pages. And you can go to File and click New. And instead of choosing single page, you can choose spacing pages, which will help you to create a book. This is how you can create a book. So all the pages will come connected to each other. So they will be connected. So just like a book. So you can see what's happening on the page. And of course, you can choose all the margin and the size of the paper and all the details here. But like the main thing was that you can choose it to be like a book. Now, let's say you want to delete a page is a bit different, but it's simple. So you just go to the page tab and click delete. That's all. And you can select the page that you want here. So for example, you want page 10 to be deleted, only page 10. So you will type in here 10 to 10. Or if you want page 1 to 10 to be deleted, you type in 1 to 10 and click OK, and it will be deleted. You can control to which page to go to. So imagine you have many pages and you want to go to page 9 very fast. So this is how you can control which page you want to go to. You can click one by one, you can skip to the last page, or you can click and choose which page you want. You can also use templates that Scribus provides for you. And you can add or delete pages and edit them. So you simply go to File, New, from Template, select that, and it will open this for you, this page that you can select so many options and templates that you can use, which is very interesting. It has books, brochures, business cards, grids, newsletter, packaging, PDF presentations, which I don't suggest to you to use the presentations. And for presentations, I suggest to you just use PowerPoint. It's very easy and simple to use, but they just gave you all different tools that if you want to use and different templates. So you can use them actually. We will go over them once we open Scribus again. So in the template, you can click right and on the image to get image. So when you click get image, if you remember, you can choose another picture and upload it by yourself. So when we have these templates, we can edit them. So if there is a picture here, but you don't want this picture, you want to change it to be your own picture, you click right and select get image and replace it. How can you add page numbers? First, add a text frame just like this. And and where you want it, like maybe you want it in the middle of the page, on the right, on the left, on the top, on the bottom, depends where you want it. You put the text box there or text frame. While you are on the box and your cursor is blinking, go to insert and then character. And there are many options to add. Choose page number. So you go to insert character and then choose page number. Once you have that, you can copy and paste by one for each page. One by one for each page. So first, like you select this and then you can type, for example, page 1. And then if you copy and paste on the next page, it will be page 2, 3, 4. Automatically, it will change for you. But you have to copy paste for each page. So it's a bit more complicated. But hopefully, if we will have time for the next class, I will tell you other ways that you can do that also. But this is one of the ways, which is not hard if you don't have too many pages. If it's 5 pages or 10 pages, it's still fine. But if it's 100 pages, it's super hard for you to do that. So now let's open Scribus and check out the program and practice what we have learned today. And at the end of the class, I'll tell you what you have to do for your homework. So for now, let's open Scribus. We can start with single page first and just open it. So what have we learned today? We can go step by step. So first we learned how to add pages. So we go to Scribus, go to insert, sorry, to pages. We select insert and we select one page at the end. You can choose at the end, before, after page, at the end. So now we just have one page, so we just say at the end. But if we have many, we can select after. After page what? 1, 2, 3. So for now, I just select at the end. And now, if we go down, we see our second page. So that's how simple you can add a page. Now, delete. You can select page 1 to 1 or page 1 to 2. So I'll just select page 1 to 1. So it will delete page 1. Now we have only one page. And of course, let's check this out. It's a bit different from the picture that I showed you. So you can select double-sided. And let's have more pages maybe. Let's try it one more time. Oops, not this. Select new, double-sided. Let's have more pages. And here we go. So you can see it starts from the right. And we scroll down and we have many pages right here. Just like a book. You see, it's connected. Now, let's try to give them numbers on each page. So this you already learned how to delete. This one, let's just take a look at this also before we move on. Here you can see we have 10 pages. We can jump to the last page. Sorry, 12 pages. You can go to page 7, or you can go to the last page, go to the first page, go one by one, go back one by one. And this is, of course, the main one that you can select which page you want to go to. That's the controlling for the pages. And let's try the numbers for each page. So as I told you, you just go add a text box where you want. Let's say I want it to be in the middle. So now you can see my cursor is blinking right here. So when it's blinking like this and I'm on it, we should go to our insert and character. Don't forget. So we go insert, go to character, page. So you can see there's a lot of options. So let's say page number. So this is page number 1, right? Now we have our number 1. We can make it a bit smaller, move it more in the middle or on the, we can also move it to the edge. A bit more. And then you can simply copy and paste. So Control C and go to the next page and Control V. So you see it's page number 2. We select the next page. You see when I select the next page, it should be red around it. So, and then we Control V, so paste page 3. So even if I skip a couple pages and go to the last page and do the same, it will show it will continue the numbering of the pages and it will be 12, you see? So it will automatically count each page for you. You don't have to type in detail. So we just paste it just like this. You select each page and you paste it with Control V. Yes, that's how you do this. And let's move on, see what else we have learned today. And of course, the template, which can be very useful. We go to our file. Let's go to file, new from template. You can choose. So this is all. This is book. This is brochure, business cards, grids, newsletter, packaging. So let's try newsletter. Let's try this one and open it. So you can see this is our newsletter. You can edit the text. You can add some picture, get image, and just throw an image inside if you want. Just like this. I can double click and move it. Not sure why it's not adjust. No, not that. Okay, just like this, for example, you can edit it as we want it. You can change the text and the type format if you want. If you remember, you have to use the property option, storytelling, or just go to properties here. Go to properties, click right and go to properties, and then you can go to colors and select the color like this, or change to none. If you don't want any color, you can have it in blue, you can have it in white, yellow, any color you like. So there are many options to edit it. Also, you could go to the new templates and try books, see how books are. This is the book. You can add the title, edit the text, change the picture, get image, and just find the picture and upload. Yeah, so you can see the book itself and you can edit it. You see it has already page for different page numbers for you. You can delete anything you want or you don't want. You can go back. You can, okay. My computer just hanged and it closed Scribus, but that's all I wanted to show you, basically, that you can use the templates and just edit it as you want, you know. So you can delete, you can write, you can add pictures, whatever you need. Now, let's get to the homework. All right, so what you need to do is to create I need you to create a one-page newspaper with 2 columns and some pictures and text in it. Text box and picture frame. If you remember, we learned this before already, so you should know how to use it. You can be creative and make your own news. Write something, add some picture. It can be about cats, about dogs, about bears, about eagles, about lizards, anything you like. It doesn't even have to be animals. Any news that you like to share. It can be nature. Take a look at the example on the right-hand side, and the due date is on 25th of February 2022. So this is just an example I found for you on internet. You can see it's using 2 columns. So that's what I mean when I say 2 columns. 2 columns. So this is 1 column here, and this is 1 column here. So you can adjust the size, is up to you. The left column can be very small, can be very big, or can be the same size for the both columns. So it's up to you how you design it. So just have some pictures, some writing. You can have different colors and different font size. Don't forget to have the topic on the top. You can add the dates like this. So edit your own newspaper like this. Just 1 page, and I need you to send me a JPEG file. You can take a screenshot, you can save it as an image. So don't send me any PDF files or any Microsoft Word files, just JPEG files, all right? Just 1 page, 1 picture. And so all you need to do, just 1 picture, upload it to the e-learning system before 25th of February. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.